Keto Actives. Review-Keto Actives is a food supplement supporting weight loss. We specifically recommend it to those on the ketogenic diet. It contains 8 components combined in one foolproof supplement, which helps in the reduction of fatty tissue and stops its storage. Moreover, Keto Actives helps in maintaining the proper cholesterol and sugar blood levels. The supplement is also recommended for those persons with an excessive appetite, as the extracts and minerals included in it suppress hunger. Keto Actives boosts energy, increases stamina and concentration, thanks to which it is very effective in the period of adapting to ketosis. When using the capsules in addition to the diet, the first effects will be visible in just a few weeks. This is undoubtedly a supplement which was missing from the market. The best supplement for weight management. Recommended for people on a keto diet, supports the metabolism and storage reduction of fats, reduces snacking urges and sudden hunger attacks, provides energy for training. Keto Actives is a modern dietary supplement that helps you lose weight even when it comes to the most difficult parts of your body. It may get you in shape and is guaranteed to make you feel better. You'll lose weight from your waist as much as a few centimeters per month. You have more energy for your daily exercises. You can go on a healthy diet without making sacrifices. Your body opts for nutritional ketosis. 100% natural ingredients. Forskolin Indian nettle root extract 10% forskolin, acting as a non-adrenal adenylyl cyclase stimulator, it promotes the breaking up of fats. Studies have shown the supportive role of forskolin in reducing body fat and maintaining lean body mass. After 12 weeks of 250 mg of for lean subjects saw a significant decrease in body weight and fat content and a significant increase in lean body mass compared to a placebo. Clarinol, conjugated linoleic acid (CLA), linoleic acid (LA), helps maintain normal blood cholesterol levels. Studies have shown that CLA accelerates fat burning in obese people. It likewise supports slimming of the legs and reduces the waist-to-hip ratio. Research has shown that adding CLA as a supplement is enough to see positive changes that are independent of a diet and exercise regimen. Natural anhydrous caffeine increases concentration and endurance, and also minimizes fatigue after physical activity. Bitter orange fruit extract promotes lipid metabolism and weight control. Use impacts digestive system function. Black pepper fruit extract supports the secretion of digestive juices, increases the absorption of nutrients, regulates bowel movements. Ashwagandha root extract helps control weight, has a beneficial effect on energy levels. Capsicum extract enables weight management and provides an ideal equilibrium for the digestive system. Chromium maintains normal blood glucose levels, affects the metabolism of macronutrients. Keto Actives is an entirely natural dietary supplement with slimming action. It has a short and transparent list of ingredients, with no unnecessary fillers. Instead of using controversial magnesium stearate, Keto Actives has instead opted for new rice, a hypoallergenic anti-caking agent. Frequently asked questions. 1. What is Keto Actives? Keto Actives is a multi-component supplement that supports weight management. It was created for people who want to lose weight naturally. 2. Is Keto Actives safe? Yes, Keto Actives is a natural food supplement containing only high-quality ingredients. 3. How should I take Keto Actives? Take 2 capsules a day with water. 4. How long does a pack of Keto Actives last? The pack is enough for 30 days. 5. When will I see the effects of the treatment? Keto Actives allows you to see the first effects after just a few weeks of use. 06. How many capsules does one package contain? The pack contains 60 capsules. Take advantage of the power of the keto diet and ketones and grab Keto Actives. Lose weight in harmony with your body.